Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tally pickle using a quick pickling method. This process is surprisingly simple and yields crunchy, flavorful pickles in just a few days. We will start by gathering our main ingredients, focusing on fresh ivy gourds, also known as tenley. You will also need white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and granulated sugar for the brine. Don't forget your favorite spices and clean jars. First, let's get our ivy gourds ready. Wash about 500 grams of them thoroughly and wipe them completely dry. Then, trim off both ends and slice each gourd lengthwise into 4 to 8 uniform pieces. For extra crispness, you can lightly salt the sliced gourds with 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and let them air dry for a couple of hours. Also, prepare your aromatics by smashing 4 to 8 garlic cloves and slicing a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Now, let's create the heart of our pickle, the brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1½ cups of filtered water with 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar until they completely dissolve. For a classic flavor, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a ½ teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately remove it from the heat. With your brine ready, it's time to assemble. Tightly pack your sliced ivy gourds, smashed garlic, and sliced ginger into clean pint jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely covered. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and let them cool down to room temperature on your counter. Once cool, transfer them to the refrigerator. Your delicious tally pickles will be ready to enjoy in just 24 hours and will keep well for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.